Hey folks, if you've seen many of my videos, you know my wife bakes bread, grinds her own wheat, makes her own bread, and the brand sent me this proofing box. Let's proof every day, and I'm unboxing for the first time here. Look at that. Okay, I don't know much about a proofing box, but my wife does. That's going to be great to go in the bottom of it. And there's the electrical cord, because you know a proofing box has got to be warm. That's for letting that dough rise, and I guess proving it. So this is a little tray there to go with that. And again, it's a box. So let's see what's in that bag there. Okay, so there it is out of the bag there. So you flip that way. I guess this is going to come this way. Oh, I see. Yeah, you got to zip this thing up and assemble it. Yeah, give me a minute. Let me get this thing squared up. All right, that's much better. It took me just a minute to find the zipper, so that helps it lay down and lay flat and all. So we just need to zip this side up over here. You know, put your bread in there, and maybe you want to. Well, I guess it would go that way, wouldn't it? Should have waited on my wife, huh? But y'all probably getting a kick out of this. Hey, that's a proofing box. You put your bread dough in there and let it rise until you're ready for it. It comes with these extra pieces right here, and comes with a controller so you can adjust the temperature on that thing. Hey, I think my wife's gonna be pleasantly pleased with this thing when she gets home. And I think y'all give it a look, you might be pleased just as well. Hey, in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.